Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking at the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, you're not here for okay performance. You're the kind of person who wants the ceiling removed, the system that feels like a cheat code, not a compromise. You don't chase specs for bragging, you chase power because you use it. Before we go deeper, tap the link below and check today's price. Flagship configs like this: Ultra 9, RTX 5080, 64GB RAM, do not stay in stock quietly. When they dip, they disappear. I moved to the Pro 7i because I hit that point where I was tired of machines that buckle when you multitask hard or open heavy creative workloads. I didn't want almost enough. I wanted the one where you click and things just happen, no hesitation, no thermal panic, no second guessing. And that's exactly how this machine feels. Editing multiple streams in Premiere, Blender renders cooking, 20+ Chrome tabs open, Discord running, exporting files, and a game updating in the background, it doesn't blink. This isn't fake power. This is quiet, stable, ruthless performance. The 16-inch display hits that sweet spot, big enough to feel immersive, sharp, bright, fast, and paired with Legion's cooling that just refuses to give up. You push it, it pushes back harder. Quick reminder, check availability. This configuration swings in and out, and when the Ultra 9 plus 5080 deals vanish, they don't come back the same. Now, let's address the thought that always creeps in: should I go cheaper? Do I really need this level? Here's the truth: if you're even considering the Pro 7i, you're not the person who wants to replace their laptop in 2 years. You want that feeling of long-term confidence. Power and reserve. A machine that grows with you, not one you outgrow. Pros feels unfairly fast in real work and play eats multitasking and creative workloads effortlessly. Premium build that boosts confidence every day. Cooling that keeps true performance unlocked. Cons: not built for backpack weight minimalists. Best experience comes plugged in. Unleash it fully. Here's the thing: every time someone tries to downsize from this tier, they come right back. Because once you taste this level of smoothness and headroom, lesser systems feel like a step backward. So if your gut is leaning toward the Legion Pro 7i, trust it. Don't fall into another week of comparison videos and spec spreadsheets. Don't end up with a system you settled for. Click the link. If the price is right and it's in stock, secure it. This is the buy once, dominate daily machine, and you feel that from day one.